Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to reset the settings in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here if you haven't already on your PC, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the page right here that's going to go ahead and help you out setting up your new composition that you want to use. So it's going to look like this. Just go ahead and select your settings, and after that click OK and get started with the project. So let's go ahead and see how we can reset our settings. Basically guys, the first thing we can do is to do it manually. So if you want to do it manually, basically what you want to do is go ahead and create a new project and a new composition. This is going to go ahead and help you set out most of the settings and reset them to normal. So go to file and click new project, and then you can either select a new project, Adobe Photoshop file, whatever you want to do, and click new project. After doing so guys, you want to go ahead and click to either save or don't save your current project, and after you're finished, it's going to open up your new project settings where you can get started with managing your settings again. And you can even go ahead and create a new composition. Another composition settings, we can go ahead and manage the composition settings if you want to change the width, height, something or similar, and so on, to reset our settings. So basically that's what you can do manually to go ahead and create with a new project. But guys, what we have is an option to reset Adobe After Effects settings automatically. And basically what we want to do is hold, if you're on Windows, Control Alt Shift, if not on Mac, then Command Option and Shift. So you want to go ahead and hold these three buttons together, press them together, and this is going to open up the settings menu where you can go ahead and reset the settings. That's going to reset the settings for your Adobe After Effects program. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.